Hey friends, let's do Too Young to Fall in Love guitar lesson by Motley Crue. And with this song, we're tuned to D. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting with a slide, then play the open A, and then 7th fret D and G, palm mute on the open A, 7th fret D, 5th fret G, 2 palm mutes on the open A, 5th fret D and G, palm mute on the open A, and then go 5, D, 4 on the G, and then back to 5, and 5, D and G, and then just open E, 3rd fret D. So slowly. Then do that riff again, starting on the 7, the 5/5. This time go open E, 1st fret E, do the riff again. Palm mute the open A. Now this is where the riff changes. We're going to do 2 palm mutes on the open E, E power chord, open E again 2 times, D power chord, open E 2 times, F power chord, so 8 and 10, open E, palm mute 2 times, E power chord, and then to finish that little section off, A, 3, 2, E, 3. So that last little part. And then we repeat the whole riff again, going back to the start, just leave out the slide. This time when you get to the E, play it once and then do another 3 more times. 1, 2, 3, and then repeat it again, starting on the open E. F to the E, and then finish the same again. 3, 2, A, 3, E. So that last little part. 1, 2, 3. And that's our intro there. Now there's a second guitar coming in the second time, and that's just playing the A power chord, holding it, the E power chord, and the F power chord. Then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting on the 7D, 5 on the G, play it once, 2 palm mutes on the open A, again, 2 palm mutes open A, again, 2 palm mutes open A, again, 2 palm mutes open A, and then go to 5D, 7G, and come back 2 frets to 3D, 5G, and then 2 palm mutes on the open A, and the rhythm's going to be the same, back to 3 and 5, 2 palm mutes, 3 and 5, 2 palm mutes, 3 and 5, 2 palm mutes, 3 and 5, and move up to 5 and 7, and then go back to the first one again, 7 on the D, 5 on the G, 2 palm mutes, 7 and 5, 2 palm mutes, 7 and 5, 2 palm mutes, 7 and 5, 2 palm mutes. This time go 7 and 5, and then switch it around to 5 on the D, 7 on the G. So then go back to our second one again, the 3 and 5, 2 palm mutes, 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 and then 3 and 5 2 times. So slowly. Then we have our pre-chorus, and we play that for you. So this time we're just doing 2 on the D, 4 on the G, play it, and then do 6 palm mutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move up a fret and do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do that 2 times. Then go back to our 2 and 4. 2 palm mutes on the open A. Move up to 3 and 5. 2 palm mutes on the A. 2 and 4. 2 palm mutes on the A. 3 and 5. 2 palm mutes on the A. And then 2, 4, 3, 5 and 5, 7 on the D and the G. So. And that's our pre-chorus there. From there we have our chorus, and that's just exactly the same as our intro. We do our verse again, that's the same. Then we have our pre-chorus again, and that's the same. Then we have our next chorus. Let's have a look at that. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. So our next chorus is the same as the intro again, like our previous chorus, but we're leaving out that last E fill at the end. Leave out that part, and we're going straight to the solo there. We'll do the solo at the end. Let's have a look at the solo rhythm first. Let me play that for you. So we're just doing the E power chord, 2 palm mutes, and repeat that, so 3 times. And then we're playing 7D, 9 on the G, and to an F power chord there, so 8 and 10, and then repeat that again. This time go back to the D and come up to the F, so slowly. Do that 2 times. Then the next one we're going back to the D, same again, D, and then play D, F, back to E. Back to our 7D, 9 on the G, to our F again, and then back to the D power chord. D, F, back to E, and we just do this 4 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're just holding that there, and that's our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. Then we have the next little part after the solo. Let me play that for you. So it's similar to our verse 5 on the G, 7 on the D, 2 palm mutes on the A, and again. And then we do our 7 and 5, and then flick it around to 5D, 7G, and just do that 4 times. That 4 times there, then we go back to the verse, that's the same. Back to the pre-chorus, that's the same. Then we have our chorus, and we just keep repeating that till the end. We have a second guitar coming in there, and that's just playing the open A string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and then 7th fret. And that's the second guitar there. Now let's have a look at the solo. Starting on the 7th fret on the E, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a pause there, and then 1, 2, 3, and then E, 5, 7, 4, 5, 6 on the B, back to 4 on the E, back to the B, 5, 6. So 5, 6, and then we're just doing 5 on the B, hammer onto 6, pull off the 5, and 7 on the G. Do that 4 times. 3, 4. Then just play 5B, and we're going to bend the 7 on the G. 3 times there. Then after that, we're just staying on the G. We're going to go 4, 5, 7, and we do that 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then play it 4, 5, 7, B, 6, 5, G, 7, to E, 5, back to B, 6, 5, G, 7, back to B, 6, 5, so that little part there. Then we come into the E string, play 5, 7, 8 and do that 8 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then come up to 12, 13, 15 and do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then just play 12E and do 4 bends on 15E. 2, 3, 4. Then to finish off we had 15B, E, 12, 13, back to 15B, 12E, B, 13, 15, 12, 15, 10, 12, coming back to 8, 10, then we're playing 6, 8, and then we're going to do 5, hammer onto 6, pull off to 5, 7G and back to 5 on the B, and we do that 4 times. So that last little part. And that's our solo there, and that's all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Too Young to Fall in Love Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s glam, rock and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'll see you soon.